So, this is my kind of place. They can keep the city. I like it right out here. It's where I'll be when the sun goes down. I got a big money bird dog barking out back. Would trade a man for a Cadillac. County wanna pay my own dirt road. Went to the courthouse, said hell no. It's a college thing, it's a short string. Everything showing on the chicken wing. It's a tax swing on the riverbank. It's a way we talk, it's the way we sing. It's either in your blood or it ain't. It's a country thing. I know my girl since she was 14. She's the first runner-up to the hard-candy cotton queen. She was raised on cornbread from a whole pea. She turns them heads into feeding seed. She rides in the middle of my four-wheel drive. Got a honey hole way back in the pine. It's a good thing, it's a cold jeans. Painting toes on a push swing, sweet like sugar cane. With a little rain, make a little rose, continually sing. Either in your blood or it ain't. It's a country bang. Fried green tomatoes, that's the sawmill gravy. Take pride in working hard for a living. Crave for 4 meals, feels good giving. Back to the nitty-gritty, not us. Thank God for it, even if it ain't much. That's how it does it down here in the mud. What else can I say? It's in my blood. It's either in your blood or it ain't. That's how it does it down here. It's either in your blood or it ain't. It's a country thing. Shine glasses in a bottle of tequila, love in the time on my head. I got my boots on tight and some money for the jukebox. Tell me if you're ready to dance. I said, hey, good looking once on your mind. Is it something that I can help you find? She said, I'm looking for a man for me and my kids. I said, honey, he ain't here, but a good time is. She smiled and asked me if I could show her a one. I said, take my hand, darling, let's start fun. I asked her her name, she asked me mine. I said, honey, they call me Mr. Good Time. Shot glasses in a bottle of tequila, love in the time on my head. I got my boots on time and some money for the jukebox. Tell me if you're ready to dance. I got a 4-wheel drive parked right outside with the feel when it comes to speed. So if you're looking for that good time, baby, get with it. My hand just called me. Well, Lord, have mercy, look what just walked in. It was a tall redhead with a brunette friend. I said, hey there, ladies, y'all ain't from around here. They said we just passing through. Won't you buy some beer? Yes, ma'am, I will. I'll even buy y'all a shot. Said we wanna get wild. Is this the right spot? Ladies, you're in luck. Everything will be fine. Right away, the girls call me Mr. Good Time. Got two shot glasses in a bottle of tequila with love in the time on my hand. I got my boots on time and some money for the jukebox. You're ready to dance. I got a 4-wheel drive from right outside. Feel when it goes to sleep. So if you're looking for that good time, baby, get with it. Take my hand, just follow me. And I hear last call, I know it's time to ride. And I 2000 in my four-wheel drive. If you wanna see why I got them standing in line, then come on and take a ride. Mr. Good Time on my time on my head. I got my boots on tight and some money for the jukebox. Ready to dance. I got a four-wheel drive walking right outside with the feel when it goes to street. So if you live on a good time, baby, get with it. I ain't just gonna be Mr. Good Time. Mr. Good Time. Mr. Good Time. Mr. Good Time. I got a PC on the line and a bottle of shine. With the wheels whistling, everything is fine. I got my Bible on the shit by my side. What else? 'Cause it's looking for a decent life. Let me hear you say, hey, we want some country. Let me hear you say, hey, we want some country. It's the mud slinging, country singing, redneck son. I'm about to show you who I am. If you really think you wanna take a ride down a dirt road, show you what the steel is. Can't stay home, son, this is where I live. Folks around here still believe in God and the right to tote a gun and a flag don't run. Ain't asking you for much and we can get it on our own. Tell the government to leave my check and church alone. Y'all can do y'all and we'll do us. And our money should always say to God we trust. If you think like that, then you're one of us. If not, then move on, leave us alone. Country folks can't survive this ass. I ain't keep my money in my pocket, y'all can have the back. I'm trying to take it in smarter than some of y'all think. Even though we talk slow, all of y'all should know. This is our song, everybody sing it. Clap your hands high and do it like you mean it. We stand our ground and we don't back down. If you're from a small town, you're never gonna leave it. This is our song, everybody sing it. Clap your hands high and do it like you mean it. We stand our ground and we don't back down. And if you don't like it, then don't come around. Told me to focus on my life. Work a little harder, do my part, start living right. I ain't got the answer, but I think I've seen the light. Since I'm with you, all I wanna do is start wasting some time. Waste 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 some time. Now I'm a 300-pound redneck rebel. I'm a God-fearing man that's had to dance for the know. The Lord, I pray my soul to take if I should ever die before I wake. See, right now I just want to love and live and show this country girl what I got to give. My whole heaping helping us some country fun, full of four-wheel drive, dirt roads and shotguns. Ain't nothing better than being out in the woods and digging at the roots and blazing that good. Lord, I'ma tell you, we doing it just right. Got my plowboy Bonnie riding by my side. Me and my girl, old Sickle Sam, in a flatbed Ford off a Copperhead Dam. Listen to Jamie sing that lonesome song. It's all just right, y'all can keep it wrong. Well, I've been told I need to focus on my life. Work a little harder, do my part, start shine. With the wheels whistling everything is fine. I got my bad sitting by my side. All it is looking for a day to survive. And you say, hey, we want some country. Let me hear you say, hey, we want some country. We haunt the world, y'all, Southern style, just some good old boys. White tail, lost the bears, country boy, making hell, turkey, prime, hard time to get your hum. Bows, guns, having fun, let's get some hum.
When it comes to monster trucks and mud bogs, there's only one king, and you're looking at him, King Krush. Don't forget to watch Mud Bogging in Florida.
Thanks for watching Mud Boggin in Florida. Don't forget to subscribe.
Oh, wow.